screen right now. Okay, I just hope you guys can see my screen. Okay, I welcome you guys to this. I welcome you guys to this live section. So, you all are highly welcome. And if you are new to the channel, my name is Henry the Great. Okay, so I go live every Monday to discuss about market analysis and insight, and also trade setup for the week. Okay, this is what we do here on this channel every Monday of every week. Okay, 10 a.m. West African time. So you are highly welcome. So we use the concept of harmonic pattern with smart money concept to spot opportunities in the market that we can actually capitalize on. Okay, so you are highly welcome. If this is if you are new to the channel, if this is your first time, so I will encourage you to notification button so that you can notify whenever I release videos like this. Okay, so you can as well join our community as well. There is link below this live session for you to join our community. Okay, if you are new, you can actually join our community to learn how we trade. You can as well join our free Telegram community as well to get to be updated on what is going on the group. So you are highly welcome. So we are going to go straight to the chart right now. What is open here is actually my journal. So we're going to look at the trade I played out last week and also look at opportunities that we have this particular week. Okay, so that is what we have. So this live session is going to stay for just 1 hour from now till 11:30 or thereabout. We end the live. Okay, so and also if you have any question, if there's anything you want me to review, you can actually you can as well use the chat button to actually drop your chat, and then let's discuss about that. Okay, so we're going to discuss, first of all, we're going to review both the trade I played out last week and also the one that are playing out this week as well. So that is what we're going to do on this channel right now. So let's get it started. Okay, first of all, as of last week, these are the trade I played out last week. So we had trade on gold, silver, GU, and so many of them. So I'm going to go to the chart right now. So we're going to look at the ones that played out last week. During the time or during the review process, you're going to look at so many pairs and so many opportunities, both the one that played out last week and the one that are currently running. So for this week, we have the following opportunity this week lined up. Okay, I'm going to snap that and send it to the group. Okay, so we'll have a lot of opportunity lined up this week, both from the previous week and also from the ones that developed this week. So we had a lot of opportunity. We have so many opportunity. We are going to look at them one after the other. We are going to look at them one after the other. So I will try as much as possible to look at the chat button in case if you have any question, if you have any pair you want me to review, you can as well use the chat button for us to discuss about that. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, this is actually a trade on Euro GDP. So this trade on Euro GDP is actually I'm going to be very slow on movement of my mouse and my computer because this is like a kind of a heavy duty charts I'm using. Okay, so just had 0.38. That is the first take profit level that was achieved on the setup. So price is actually coming back to the origin. So let's see what happens when price comes back to that level. Let's see what happens when price to the potential reversal zone. So right now it has broken through those levels. So let's see what happens when price comes back to the potential reversal zone, particular asset. So we just hit take profit level 1, which is 0.382, and it was a very perfect trading opportunity last week on that one. Okay, now for BTC, we had that was 2 weeks ago. We had this bat pattern on BTC that actually achieved full take profit level, but right now price is coming back to this level, and you can see that we have this descending triangle that is happening here on this trading opportunity. So Let's see what happens. Okay, you can look out for buying opportunity around this order block. Of course, this is a valid order block. You can look out for buying opportunity around this order block. Okay, you can look out for buying opportunity around this order block. Is highly valid. You can look out for buying opportunity around this order block. Anywhere around this one is a good level. First of all, have a very good conviction for you to take an entry. But for this particular trade, like I said last week, I'm not looking to engage because I've already taken my full take profit level on this particular trade. Okay, so that is that on BTC. So GDP AUD, I don't think we have anything at the moment. First of all, we had this trade setup that was last week. Price got almost close to 0.618 before we got that reversal. Okay, and that was for me is a full take profit level on this shark pattern. So there is nothing we have to do on GDP AUD. Full take profit level has been achieved, and it was an excellent trading opportunity. So if you're looking for re-entry, it's not advisable because I mean we are done with this. That is why I don't look out for buy and sell within these levels, except I see a harmonic setup for me to engage and then look out for entries. For now, there is nothing to be done on GDP AUD, so nothing to be done here. The same thing with Eurocard. Eurocard, we have actually achieved 0.382. That was last week, very, very close there. So profit was also taken on this particular trading opportunity. Okay, and you can see that today is bank holiday. So we may not really be expecting much movement in the market today. Okay, but then we should look out for what will happen. But for now, there is no trading opportunity on Eurocard, so we don't really have much this week. Just few of them this week. For on Eurocard, we don't have anything at the moment. If you are still holding the position, you can keep holding. But at the moment, we don't have anything at the moment. Yes, we don't have anything at the moment. But if you are holding, you can keep holding your position. Okay, yeah, you can keep holding your position, but we don't have anything at the moment. Now, AUD Japanese yen. For AUD Japanese yen, we have this pending sharp pattern, but I don't really like the structure of the CTD leg, but let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So if you can be able to get price moving to this potential reversal zone, because that is a very valid key level on that level. Okay, so that's a very valid key level, valid order block, and everything is looking very sharp. But we need more from AUD Japanese yen to get to that point. We need more to get to that point. So if you can be able to get to that point, that would be excellent. So that is one of the trading opportunity we might have this week. Okay, that is one of the trading opportunity we might have this week. So let's see what happens. So I'm expecting price to complete to that level from now till Thursday. So from now to Thursday, let's see what happens from now to Thursday. If price can be able to get to that level, we can be able to short from there to the downside. So let's see what happens on AUD Japanese yen. So same thing with NZD Japanese yen as well. Same thing with NZD Japanese yen, the same structure, the same sharp pattern that is happening here is also happening on AUD Japanese yen. So these are two opportunities that I'm looking at this week. So this one might even trade this as a BAM opportunity. We might look out for a buying opportunity around this level. Okay, might look out for a buying opportunity around this level to this potential reversal zone. So that is what we can actually look out for. But before you engage, make sure you have a very valid entry confirmation for you to engage in this type of trading opportunity. So if you don't have any valid entry confirmation, please, it's also advisable to wait for price to get to the potential reversal zone and then before you engage or look out for entry. For now, the setup still looks good. Okay, the setup still looks good on except we break below this support trend line. But for now, everything is looking very, very sharp. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Okay. Now, CAD JPY. Do we have anything on CAD JPY? Oh, it will have been the same structure with NZD Japanese yen, but you can see what is happening now. So structure wise, it's already losing momentum. So it's actually coming to mitigate whatever other block that is here. So price is coming to mitigate whatever other block that is here. Price is actually coming to do what? To mitigate it. Okay. So this structure wise, this has already fallen, has fallen. So I'm going to remove this trading opportunity I'm not looking to engage in this already. So the structure has already failed. So I'm not looking to engage. I'm not looking to engage. So within the week, I might actually send updated setup if I see any harmonic setup on this card JPY. For now, we don't have anything at the moment for now. So and if you look at, we had this successful bat pattern that happened last week on card JPY. We achieved full take profit level. It was a very sweet opportunity on this card JPY. So for now, we don't have anything on card JPY. So let's just look at what happens going forward. Okay. So USD Japanese yen, USD Japanese yen. Let's see what happens on USD Japanese yen. USD Japanese yen, I actually have this bad pattern that was a setup that was last week, but price didn't actually get to 0.886 and to this key level. But price reacted from this weekly key level, and then we'll have a reversal to the what? To the upside. So now, so now, the structure of this bad pattern is not really making sense to me. I don't really like the whole consolidation within that level. So the probability of price getting to 0.886 I may not really be there, but let's see what happens. So if price eventually get to 0.886 to that key level there, then we'll be looking out for a bad pattern to engage in this trading scenario. For now, let's watch and see what happens. So we have set up on AUD Japanese yen, NZD Japanese yen, USD Japanese yen. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. Okay. USD CHF, we have this valid A because you see the pattern that is happening here. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. So we have this A because you see the pattern that is happening here, but price is here to complete. The pattern is here to complete. Very, very close. We actually got a reversal very close to that potential reversal zone, but I need price to test 0.8955, which falls within 1.272. Okay, so if you look at the symmetry of this A because you see the pattern, you can see that from this point to this point, and then we have this equidistance structure. So we need to see that confirmation of 1.272, which aligns with 0.8955. So 0.8955, look out for a reversal to the upside. So you can actually map up this structure on your trading view account or your trading platform, and then monitor the development of this setup. So AB equals CD pattern, a very good harmonic pattern setup here on USD CHF. Everything looks very great, everything looks clean. So let's see what happens if price will complete this setup. Okay, if this setup will actually eventually complete. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens. Now, now, CHF Japanese yen, this trading opportunity, we have actually hit 0.382. First take profit level has been achieved. We are looking to see price will get to 0.618. That is at this level. Let's see if price will get to this level. Okay, so for now everything looks clean. So if you are still holding your position, then you can keep holding. But if you're looking for a re-entry, I will suggest you wait for price to get to this level. If price can be able to pull back to this level, then you might look out for a re-entry. Probably from now till Wednesday, we'll look out for re-entry to see what price will do. For now, we don't have any setup. We don't have any pending setup at the moment. Okay. Yeah, so that is that on this guy. So NZD card is a very sweet opportunity last week. In fact, the setup developed within the week. That was either on Tuesday. Let me check the dates. That was on Wednesday, Thursday. That was when the setup came up. I actually posted it to members of the group. Okay, I shared the setup with them, and you can see that the setup, it was a very sweet trading opportunity. That if you are still holding, then you can keep holding to 0.618 final take profit level at 0.618. And from the way price is projecting, we might see price getting to 0.8195, which falls within 0.786. So this is a very good trading opportunity. Okay, and for now there is no setup at the moment. There is no single setup at the moment, and everything looks great on this NZD card. Okay, AUD card. Now we have this swing position on AUD card, which started, that was January this year. In fact, if you look at it from the daily time frame, it's actually a very good setup. You can see a very good setup from the daily time frame. This started around night of last night of January this year. Okay, and we've had so much consolidation within that level, but then price is breaking out of this resistance trend line. So we'll see price pushing all the way up, and this is a very valid alternate bat. As you can see, it's a very valid alternate bat. So it's a swing position. Okay, you're looking to hold this position for a very long period of time, but what you can actually do is to come down to lower time frame and look out for bullish harmonic pattern, look out for bullish setup to the what, to the upside. So for now, we don't have anything at the moment. We don't have anything at the moment. So price is projecting, and it might actually get to 0.382, which is the first take profit level of this swing position. Then final take profit level is at 0.618, which falls within 0.91796. Okay, so it's a good setup, and price, and it's playing very, very well. It's playing very well, and I love the setup. It's making sense. So NZD USD. Now, this guy is not actually a setup, but from the look of things, you can see that price has broken out of this resistance trend line. And then if you look at the measurement of this point, you can see that from this point, let me see if I can do that. From this point down to this extension level falls at what, 1.618, and then in Harmonic 1.618 is a very good reversal ratio for Harmonic traders. Okay, and you can see that as price got to that 1.618, we started to get that reversal, and within that level there may be actually key levels, probably weekly key levels or daily key levels that price is actually reacting from. So for now, this is not a Harmonic setup, but it's actually a break out of this resistance trend line. So I just mark it out for you guys to see the power of Harmonic strategy with combination of smart money concept. So that is what you can actually see there on this NZD USD. Okay, US 30, we don't really have anything on US 30 at the moment, but I'm actually looking at to see if this bat pattern can actually hold. But from the look of things, price is actually on a very serious consolidation phase, a very serious consolidation phase. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. Okay, this is a very serious consolidation phase. Let's see what happens. Okay, now NAS 100. Now for NAS 100, I'm looking at this. There's a setup here, probably on the 1 hour time frame. This might actually be a very good time to look at that setup again. Okay, this might be a good time to look at that setup again. This is actually a deep crab. Let me look at that again. This is actually a deep crab. We have this deep crab here. Okay, this is a deep crab, and then 1.27, 1.618. Good, 1.618, and then we have this deep crab at that 1.618. So this level comes within 0.886, which is actually valid. So this is what I'm looking at here. Okay, this is what I'm looking at right here, right here. Good. So this is actually very valid, as a pattern. So on this level, what we might actually look at for is price probably coming to this, coming back to this. This is actually very valid. Let's look at that. Okay, probably on the 1 hour time frame, but let's see what happens here. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay, you can just look out for entry within this level, or its hand is actually valid, and let's see what happens. So this is actually a setup I have here on NAS 100. Yes, on NAS 100. So let's see what happens. So after now, I can actually go and map out this setup. So I'm looking to sell from that point to this region. Okay, I'm looking for a sell, but like I said before, I don't usually short NAS 100, US oil, NAS 100, gold, BTC. I don't short them. Okay, I only look out for buying opportunity on this asset. But if you see a good setup, a good selling setup that meets your criteria, I can actually look out for for selling opportunity. But for Harmonic, this is a good setup. This is a bearish deep crab. This is a bearish deep crab. Okay, a bearish deep crab. Yeah. So it's a good setup. So if price can eventually return to this level, you can look out for selling opportunity probably during the New York section. So let's see what happens. Okay. AUD USD. Do we have anything at the moment? Let's see if we have anything at the moment. Okay, we don't have anything at the moment on AUD USD, but we had something that was last week. Yes, we had something last week. We had this bullish shark last week. You can see how amazing this opportunity was. A very sweet opportunity. Very, very sweet. Very sweet. We bought from this level, from here, and take profit level was around here. You can see crazy risk to reward. This is a very valid sharp pattern. You can see very valid sharp pattern. So it's always good to wait for your setup to materialize before you engage. Okay, just be patient and wait for it. Okay, just be patient and wait for it. Be patient and wait for it. And once you see it, don't hesitate to engage. Don't hesitate to engage. Once you see, don't hesitate to engage. Okay, don't hesitate to engage. Okay, so that is how it is. So um now this is a good setup on this pair, a very good setup. Okay, you can look out for selling opportunity from this level. Okay, you can look out for selling opportunity from this level. Okay, good. You can look out for selling opportunity from this level. A very good. You can look out for selling opportunity from this level. I marked it out. That was last week. So you can look out for selling opportunity from this level. Though price have achieved this setup have already achieved 0.382. So you can look out for selling opportunity either from this level, either either if price comes back here, or price, or you can actually look out for opportunity from here. So these are the two places you can look out for a selling opportunity. Okay. Yeah, so this is a good place to look out for selling opportunity. Okay, you can sell from there. So take profit level for this setup is at 0.5 here, which is at 0.56693, and the last take profit level is at 0.55991. So that's a good level. So you can look out for a sell opportunity from here. Okay, if you are selling from here, your stop loss should be around this place. Okay, around that place, then your final take profit level should be around here. Okay, so that is what you should look out for. So this could be an instant entry right now. So if that level fails, the last level is at that extreme. Okay, if this level fails, the last level is at that what? At that extreme. So I'm looking at that per AUDCHF. Let's look at that AUDCHF. AUDCHF. So AUDCHF. AUDCHF. Okay, good. So and from that level, the stop loss, we're looking at 13.2. Okay, we're looking at 13.2. Okay, so looking at 13.2, and so you calculate your risk. You calculate your risk. AUDCHF. Always make sure you calculate your risk before you enter the trade. Okay, I might do 14. Okay, 0 points. Okay, good, good. Okay. Okay. So you look out for that. So your stop loss and your take profit level. I'm actually using Go Charting, so it's a different platform from the Trading View platform. I just like the intuition of the platform, how it's organized, and all the rest of them. So I just love how the platform is. So if you're using Trading View, you can map out this setup or your Trading View accounts. Okay, so it's just the same thing, literally the same thing. There is no different from it's just the same thing. There's no different at all. Just the same thing. Okay, there's no difference at all. Okay, uh, so final take profit level. So this is an instant entry. So within that level is a good place to enter. So it's an instant entry. So let's see what price. Let's see what price we do. Yeah, let's see what price we do here. Let's see if this level will hold. If that level doesn't hold, then we're going to look at for another level, which is at that A stream, which is at this A stream. So if this one doesn't hold, then we'll look at for entry at that what at that A stream. So that is it on this trading opportunity. Yeah. So let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So let's see how this will go. Good. So that is that on ADCHF. Price came back to price gave us profit last week and then it's actually pulled back to this level. This is a very valid order block, very valid order block here. That is the smart money concept we teach. Valid order block, everything looks great, everything looks very clean and all that. So let's see how this will play out. Let's see how this will play out. So let's continue. Let's continue. We have few pairs left. Okay. CAC-CHF, do we have anything on CAC-CHF? Okay, CAC-CHF had the same correlation with AUD-CHF. Okay, both of them have the same correlation. Now, there is this pattern that formed here, but I was not really liking the structure. That was why I didn't engage. Now, if you look at this place from here, let me add um let me add 1.113. Okay, now this is another shark pattern, but I don't really like. First of all, the sharp pattern did not actually complete. Now, if you look at it from this extreme, it did not actually complete. Didn't actually complete. Then, if you look at it from this extreme, it actually completed. But then, I didn't like the retracement. Look at what I mean by this is I don't like. It's not that I don't like. It didn't actually satisfy the harmonic structure. Okay, look at these movements of price. Look at the movement of price. Okay, you can see. So that is how you can see how this setup is. Okay, but there is so much going on. There is so much going on. There is so much going. So it's not that clean. It's not really that clean. But based on the mitigations, other blow mitigations, reaction from key level, everything looks clean. But the structural harmonic pattern is not really there. It's not really there. So that was why I didn't actually map out the structure. I didn't actually map out the harmonic structure. It didn't actually look so clean. It's there's so many things going on, so it was not that clean. So if the price action is not that clean, just the best thing to do is just avoid it entirely. Just avoid it entirely. So AUD, Euro AUD. Okay, this was a setup that occurred that was last year December. It's actually a very strange trading opportunity. Full take profit level has not really been achieved, but I mean, price have moved from this over how many percent? Let me see. From that point to this point, this is more than 3% based on where you put your stop loss. This is more than 3%. So if you are still holding this position, you're actually on your own. Okay. You're on your own because this was the opportunity we had last year. So for now, we don't have anything at the moment. Price is just building up structure. Even on the 1 hour time frame, there is no harmonic structure. Even on the 1 hour time frame, there is no harmonic structure at all. See any harmonic structure here. Even on the lower time frame, 15 minutes thereabout, there is no harmonic structure at the moment. Okay. Now Euro USD, we have this now I think this has actually played out. We have this valid A equals to CD pattern, but unfortunately, price we did not have we didn't have the completion of this. Symmetry wise, let me look at the symmetry of this movement of price. I think I've actually looked at that before. From this point to this point, and then to this point, it has not really completed. So whenever this kind of thing occurs, the best you can do is to avoid that trading opportunity. Just avoid it. Okay, just avoid it because anything can happen. Price can actually, you can see that price can react from this other block and then keep going up. So the final place we are looking to sell from is at 1.618, which aligns with this key level here. But now I can see that price have pulled back to mitigate this other block. Price have pulled back to mitigate this other block, and anything can happen. Okay, anything can happen. So the only place you are looking to sell from, if price complete this A equals to CD pattern and they give us an entry from this 1.618, that is when we can be looking out for entry. For now, there is nothing to look out for. There is nothing to look out for. Even if this plays out, I'm not interested. Okay, I'm not really interested, except I see any other harmonic pattern here. But at the moment, I don't see any other harmonic pattern. This is the valid A because CD pattern I'm seeing here. Okay, you can see how price, before price got to this key level here, it gave us an internal retracement. You can see price moved like this and then moved this way, and then before doing what, moving all the way up. That is what we call AB equals to CD what pattern. Is a harmonic pattern. So if you're interested to learn harmonic pattern, there is a link below this video to join our community to learn how we trade. You can see how amazing our setups has always been. I mean, it's easy and it's simple and it's straightforward. Okay, everything is consistent, precise entry, everything is consistent, and everything is great. If you get used to the measurements, get used to the numbers, I mean, you are good. It's a very good trading opportunity. It's a very good trading system, a very good trading strategy that helps you to trade without emotion, trade based on conviction, trade based on confidence, trade based on precise entry and logical um entries, things that make sense in the market. Okay, so that is that about this euro USD. So for euro USD, I'm not actually looking to sell from here. If you're already on the sell, bravo. Okay, but I have love price to test 1.618 for me to engage. Okay, so that is that on that level. So for this is US oil, STI. So we had a sharp pattern last week. Price got to very close to 0.382, and then we had that reversal to the downside. So this was a partial take profit level that was achieved. Okay, so price came back to break even, and then it was the end of it. Okay, so Um, GDP CHF, we don't have anything at the moment. We don't have anything at the moment. GDP card, we had this amazing opportunity. This is a sharp pattern all from last week. We are still holding on to this to 0.618. You can see how everything is playing out. We are still holding on to this to what 0.618. 0.618. So let's see how that plays out. Let's see how that plays out. Okay. Let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes. Euro JPY. We don't have anything at the moment. This is a full take profit level that has been achieved. This was a very valid bullish butterfly pattern. So we achieved 0.618 and that was the end of it. Okay. GPJPY. So we have this sharp pattern here, and this drop happened immediately market open. On Sunday, that was yesterday, as market open, we had this sharp drop. Okay, and then this place are marked out is a valid order block on the 1 hour time frame. So I'll be expecting price to now I might even adjust this entry probably within this level, anywhere within here. It depends on because this guy had correlation with Euro JPY. So it depends on what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Okay. Let's see what happens. So I might even adjust my entry to this point. Okay, might adjust my entry to this point, but you have to wait for reaction. It's advisable to wait for reaction before you enter. Wait for reaction, wait for probably rejection at that level, just as price is moving right now. Let's see if price get to that level, let's see what price will do. If we're going to get confirmation for sell, then we might take the sell to the downside. So everything looks very clean for this setup. Okay, everything looks very, very clean. Okay, everything looks very, very clean, very clean. Okay, setup looks great. I mean, it's looking sharp. We have a lot of room to the downside, a lot of imbalanceness, a lot of inefficiency, and all that to the downside. So let's see what price will do. You can get that put, move to the upside, give us reaction, can sell to the downside. Okay, so that is that on GDP JPY. And if you look at Euro JPY, they have the same correlation. You can see they have the same correlation as well. They have the same correlation. So if this one is selling, the other one is also what selling. They have both of them have the same correlation. They have the same correlation. Now, GDP USD. I actually mapped out this trading opportunity, but as a matter of fact, well, let's see what happened. This is same thing with Euro USD. The same thing with Euro USD. Okay, the same alternates bearish A because CD pattern on Euro USD, the same thing with GBP USD. Okay, so we are still waiting for price to get to that 1.618 and complete this A because CD pattern. So until we get that, we don't have anything to to engage, or we don't have any business, we don't have any other thing to do here. So we just have to wait and see what price will do. Okay, USD card nothing. This guy just moving weird. We don't have anything at the moment. Now for gold, if you watch the previous last week video, I did the review on gold. I was looking at for a pattern on the daily time frame. It was this butterfly pattern here, but it did not hold because price closed beyond 1.272. I don't want to go into details of that, but let's look at what is happening here. Now, last week we also had this A before CD pattern that actually developed last week. Okay, and it was successful trading opportunity. You can look at it very well. We have achieved 0.382. Okay, and price are pulled back and then to entry and then give us another 0.382. So right now gold is in the range. Yes, gold is in the range. Okay, gold is in a serious range. So let's see what happens here on gold. So for me, it was an amazing opportunity already because you have achieved 0.382. I mean, price moving from that level to this level is a good risk to reward ratio. It's a good risk to reward trading opportunity. Okay, so that is what we have here on gold, and then the final one we have here is on silver. We don't have anything at the moment on silver. For silver, last 2 weeks we had this A because CD pattern that actually achieved 0.382. The same thing with gold. They have the same correlation with gold. Okay, it achieved 0.5. Yes, it achieved 0.5 before we have that what reversal. Before we got that reversal. So I mean, it's an amazing opportunity, and we have gone through the whole. Pairs. We have opportunity on NZJPY, AUDJPY. We have opportunity on AUDCHF. Yes, we have opportunity on AUDCHF. Okay, Like I said before, if this does not hold, like I said, we'll look out for entry at that at this extreme. So let's see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens. So we have this ADCHF, NZDJPY, NZDJPY, ADJPY. We also have opportunity on Euro JPY as well. Yes, we have opportunity on Euro JPY as well. So like I said before, let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. Okay, the price can be able to pull back to this origin. We can look at for re-entry. So that is what we have this week. So if you enjoy this live section, I will encourage you to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, okay, and then be notified whenever we are going live. Every Monday we go live every Monday. And if you're interested to learn how we trade, there's a link below this video to sign up to become a member of our community to learn our strategy so you can be able to enjoy whatever we are doing here. I mean, it's an amazing opportunity, and I would like you to be part of it. Okay, I would like you to be part of the community. I mean, going live and then discussing about trading, and then we have had opportunity. Our strategy is very superb, very clean, very sweet. We have had countless of opportunity in the past. Even this one was an amazing opportunity. It was a bearish crab. I've actually closed that. Let me look at that again. Yeah, it was what a bearish crab and a successful trading opportunity here. We sold from that level. We sold from this level to this downside. Okay, so what you need to understand is that our strategy is not that simple. Yes, but it's worth it. You're looking for something that will make you crazy in return. It's not going to be simple. If it is simple, everybody will be doing it. So it's not simple, but you have good hands. You have people that will teach you. You have somebody that will hold your hands and teach you very well. So it will be easy for you to learn. It's easy. Okay. So it's easy when you get used to it. It's very simple. But whenever you open a chart and you don't see harmony setup, it's not there, it's not there. If it's not there, it's not. There's no need for you to waste your time to do anything there. But if it is there, you'll be able to analyze and engage. So the strategy is very simple if you are in a good hands to learn it. And we have the capable hands to teach you. Okay, so this will bring us to the end of this live session. So I wish you guys all the best as you continue your trading opportunity for the week. I pray that I wish you guys success this week as you trade, and we'll see next week for us to review these opportunities and see how they played out. So this will be all for now. Love you guys, and then bye for now.